Never have I ever nag-confess sa crush before. Yeah, nag-confess ako sa crush na ayoko siya. Joke lang. Hi, crush. I feel like I deserve someone better. So you're not my crush anymore. Ganun pala yung confession. But I have. I have. Sabi ko, crush ko siya. Yeah. Tapos parang, tapos kunwari, alam na nga, obvious naman. Alam mo yung mga high school na, may sasabihin ako sa'yo, ikaw muna! Tapos biglang, sige, sabay tayo. Ay, hindi, ikaw muna, kasi feeling ko baka iba tayo. Yung mga pag ganun, high school ba? Tapos so yeah, siya nagsabi. Tapos na may paano pa, hindi, dapat ikaw kasi ladies first. Ay, hindi, dapat ikaw kasi wala lang. I want you to go first. Char, So yun, I like you, crush kita dati pa. Same! Tapos thinking about it, parang, yuck! Cringe! Well, ganun talaga in life, you go through those kind of moments. Same, I like you too. Lo? Okay, wala lang. Tapos lang, high school sweethearts lang kami. Pero wala. But no. Gusto niya manligaw sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, studies first, hahaha. But yeah, it lasted for like 3 years actually. Na lang, he was there for me, we were there for each other, but just high school sweethearts, ganun. And it was like, very wholesome na, alam mo yun, like, may mga sems ako, ditutungan. Ay, hindi pala, ako lang pala. If may mga events yun, pupunta siya, ganun. Kasi iba kami ng, same school but ibang branch. Yeah. So parang we don't always see each other. Yeah. 3 years kami na high school sweethearts until like, kasi parang, di ba, so 3 years na. So parang, lo, grabe naman, ganito katagal, ganito lang pa rin tayo. Kasi gusto niya talaga mandigaw sa akin. Tapos, ayun. Sabi ko, nung parang pa-serious na, sabi ko, oh, I really wanna focus on school. Kasi ayoko yung, wala. Baka kala nyo like yung na talaga. Hindi, we're just, wholesome lang na, we admire each other, ganon. Never held hands, never, nothing, jowa vibes, ganon. Parang, lang, there for each other. If may mga event ka, I have events, you have events, let's support each other, or ganon. Tapos, I realized na, parang 3 years na kami, tapos parang, ayoko, kasi sinabihan ko siya sa kanya na parang, wag ka muna dito, kasi I really wanna focus on school muna. Not that you're a distraction, but kasi iba kasi, di ba, if you have parang, kailangan mo na, commit talaga na, like, as a jowa na, basta, tapos yun, kasi ayoko na, I really don't, not that I'm scared of commitments, pero parang iba pa yung priority ko. Ganon. And sabi ko sa kanya, well, and, if ever din naman na may gusto kang iba, okay lang, ganun. Kasi, I mean, I don't wanna keep you hostage or something. So parang, BFF Premium Pro Max. Wala, yung lang kami, wholesome lang na parang, we like each other. Parang, hello, you want food? Eto. Oh, you have event? Sige, I'll watch. Ganon. Lang. Yeah. Parang, we were each other's support people, ganon. Di ba, may